Hi everybody, how can you solve this problem? Let's pay attention. AB equal 1000, BC equal 2000, C equal 3000, and we have to find the value of a square plus b square plus c square. AB equal 1000. I put equation number 1, BC equal 2000. I put equation number 2, C equal 3000, and I put equation number 3. Now I multiply equation 1 by C, multiply equation 2 by A, multiply equation 3 by B, and we've got ABC equal 1000 C, ABC equal 2000 A, ABC equal 3000 B. So we can write 2000 A equal 3000 B equal 1000 C. This time we're going to divide all these three terms by 6000 because 6000 is the LCM of 1000, 2000 and 3000. Okay, divide all these three terms by 6000. Divided by 6000, divided by 6000, divided by 6000. Now calculate, it's gonna be A over 3 and it's gonna be B over 2 and it's gonna be C over 6. And we consider A by 3, B over 2, C over 6 equal, we consider this is K. So A by 3 equal K, B by 2 equal K, C by 6 equal K. That means A equal 3K, B equal 2K and C equal 6K. Now AB equal 1000. It is given. Now put the value of A and B. Value of A 3K and value of B 2K. 1000. So 6K square equal 1000. That means K square equal 1000 over 6 That means 500 over 3. So k square equal 500. K square equal 500 over 3. Now we got the value, we got k square equal 500 over 3. This is the value of k square. And finally, we have to find the value of a square plus b square plus c square equal value of a 3k whole square, value of b 2k, and value of c 6k. So value of a 3k, value of b 2k, value of c 6k. That means 9k square, 4k square plus 36k square equal 36 plus 4 40 and 4 49k square. Now replace the value of k square. Value of k square equal 500 over 3. Now calculate 0, 0, 5, 9s are 45, 5, carry 4, 5 4s are 20 and 4, 24 over 3. So this is the value of a square plus b square plus c square. I hope you got it. If you like this video, I hope you will subscribe my channel, like, share and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. I'm going to meet up with you in the next video. Till then, you take care. Bye-bye.